This is the reddgrow dashboard, the first screen you see every day. It answers 3 questions. What did reddgrow find for you? What is it doing right now? And is it working? Let's walk through every section. First card, super relevant. These are hot opportunities, discussions that match your brand above 80%, posted in the last 3 days, with at least 5 comments. In other words, active threads where your answer actually belongs. Click View and you jump straight to those drafts. Next to it, Daily Progress shows how many comments have been posted today against your daily plan. If your account is still warming up, you'll see the reason right here. Then the Results row. This month counts everything published this month. Views shows how many times people saw your comments in the last 7 days, and Upvotes shows how the community received them. If views grow while Upvotes hold steady, your comments are landing in the right threads. Below the stats, your AI visibility score. This tracks how AI sees your brand. How often assistants like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini mention you when people ask questions in your category. Reddit is one of the most cited sources in AI answers, which is why Reddit activity and AI visibility live on the same dashboard. Next to the score, the top prompts you're mentioned in. Each row is a real question people ask AI. You see the exact answer snippet where your brand appears, which engines mention you, your visibility percentage, and whether it's trending up or down. Click any prompt to see the full answer history. Mission Control shows the actions that move the needle today. The dots are your posting slots for the day, filling as comments go out. Below, Wins This Week collects what reddgrow delivered for your brand, so you always have receipts. Account Health watches your connected Reddit accounts and flags them as healthy, needs attention, or critical before problems cost you an account. And the Posting Activity Heatmap shows every campaign as a row and every day as a square. What you want is a steady rhythm, not bursts. Steady accounts build karma, and karma is what lets you promote safely. That's the dashboard. Every section you saw has its own deep dive video, so watch those next. Start free at reddgrow.ai, and your dashboard fills itself within days.